Hey there, finance friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips to keep your wallet happy and your bank account growing. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to transfer money from Cleo to your bank account in 2025. Cleo is that awesome app that helps you budget, save, and even spot deals, but if you're new to it or just need a refresh, you're in the right place. This process is quick and secure, taking just a few minutes once you're set up. First off, make sure you have the Cleo app installed on your phone and your account is linked to your bank. If not, head to the App Store, download it, and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. It's as easy as pie. Once you're logged in, open the app and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Transfer or Move Money option, usually found in the menu or at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that to get started. Next, select the amount you want to transfer. Cleo will show you your available balance, so double-check that first to avoid any surprises. Then, choose your destination. That's your bank account. If it's already linked, it should pop up as an option. If not, you'll need to add it by entering your bank details securely. Now, hit the Confirm or Transfer Now button. Cleo might ask for a verification code sent to your phone or email for extra security. Go ahead and enter that to proceed. Once approved, the transfer typically processes within minutes to a few hours, depending on your bank and the time of day. A quick tip: always check for any fees associated with the transfer. In 2025, Cleo has made this process even smoother with faster processing times, but keep an eye on your app notifications for updates. And remember, if you run into any issues, Cleo's support team is just a chat away in the app. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly move money from Cleo to your bank in 2025. It's all about taking control of your finances one step at a time. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.